Hi, my name is Csaba, and my submission is Rec Fusion with Cohere and Weaviate, which would provide technology for support chat agent, large language model based agent for throttling. I'm a full stack engineer for two startups and interested in meetups and other technologies as well, lately generative AI. Throttling is a business projection budgeting software, and we don't have personnel for customer support, so this would be super valuable if it doesn't hallucinate too much or gives proper answers. And preferably, I don't only want the model or the technology to really be grounded only to our data set. It would be great if it can answer generic domain-related questions as well, which are not in this, not in our help documentation. Here's the regular retrieval augmented generation. In our case, Weaviate is the vector platform, retrieval platform, and we use Cohere Chat as the large language model and the other platform. Now, first thing I did is what I call Q&A boosted RAG, because if we generated question and answer for Cohere comment chat fine-tuning, we already have this, so why don't we just process that further and ingest all of the question answers into the vector database as well? So that's what I did. I call this. This is an augmentation like synthetic data, kind of. And so that's probably increases the quality of the answers, because more likely that the user's question match on something if we have more things there. However, the main idea is the Rec Fusion here. So what does it mean? The user sometimes doesn't even know what's the right question. So what we do is I use the fine-tuned Cohere command to generate n variations of that question, and then retrieve the 15 or k documents for each variations. Then we get that back, but then we need to do a re-rank and fuse algorithm to come up with one list. Then I take the top k of that list and perform the retrieval augmented generation with that, the prompt augmentation. So that's Rec Fusion in a nutshell. And as the last step, I don't even do just one RAG, because CoChat is both capable of a document mode with citations and also a web connector mode with also citations. So I do both of these and provide it to the user. I contributed back to open source projects along the route, and Streamlit is my UI platform, which hosts the application. And I have a lot of future things to do, but let's see the application. So here I already issued some queries. You can play with all of the parameters here, not all, but most, I think, which are slider parameters. I have two separate tabs for the web and the document guided results, but both of them feeds from the same question. And as you can see, I spent a lot of time making the Streamlit platform smart enough to augment, interpolate these references. So you can see that this is 1.1, and this is somewhat of a more concrete question, although somewhat open-ended. Like, yeah, it's not exact figures, and it gives that back, and even the web search gives that back, because I even augment the web search just to help it. And the web search oftentimes comes back with web references, whereas the document-based feeds from our documents.